I don't feel pain. I do not feel pain. Oh! Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sommy, and if this is your first time here, thank you so much for clicking, and I hope you consider subscribing. Okay, so today I want to try out the black peel off max. Yeah, I've never tried this before. I got this about 5 months ago, thereabout, and I never tried it, never tried it, because I was scared and I just kept procrastinating. But today I'm gonna try it out, and why not film it, right? Yeah, so this is called the Magicivy. Yeah, Magicivy peel off black max. Yeah, so pretty much it says it has long range impact, it cleans, it revives and removes blackheads. Yeah, so that's pretty much what it says. We're gonna try this out now. Oh my god, I'm a little bit scared though. So let's try it out and let's hope it works magic on this face. Okay, yeah, alrighty. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Okay, so it's quite thick. Oh lord, it smells so good. Oh my god, the fragrance is amazing, guys. Oh! Just stay one more night. I'll be.
It's so thick. Like, is this? It's so thick that it's even hard to pump out. Is this how all black marks are? I'm scared of this area, guys. I'm scared of this area. I'm scared. I don't want to. Oh my god! I don't want to do anything to my hair.
But not today. Just stay.
Anyway, so it's set 20 to 30 minutes. So I'm gonna set my timer for 20 minutes at least. And let's see what happens after 20 minutes. Okay guys? So this is it. Start. The countdown begins. Okay now. Okay guys, so I'm about to remove this. In total I waited for 40 minutes. Yeah, I waited 40 minutes, which I think is my fault because some parts dry before the other parts, so I had to wait for their parts to dry. It didn't dry at the same time because I applied another layer on this side just a little bit. Anyway, so let me start taking this out. Oh my goodness. It's not so bad for now. Like it stings. Like you feel like, yeah, you're actually taking something out of your, like you're peeling something off. And I think I need to stop talking. I think I'm talking trash. It's becoming more painful. Hold on. Just hold on a minute. Like it's entering. Ooh. I actually thought the pain was exaggerated. I don't feel pain. I don't feel pain. I do not feel pain. Oh!
Woo! Blurry. Okay, one moment.
Let's not pretend.
Wow, my face feels so smooth. Am I exaggerating? I don't know if I'm exaggerating, but anyway, I'll be back. Hey guys, so this is what my face looks like right now. Honestly, my face feels quite smooth. Yeah, I don't know if it's because of the product or it's just my normal flawless smooth face. Anyway, it feels quite good. My cheeks is still burning up. Anyway, like I said, this product smells really good, and I think it's a good product overall. But I think, you know, when I use it over time, then I can give a full review on it. But as of now, it makes my skin feel good. And like I said, I haven't rubbed anything in my face, no cream, no oil, nothing. I just washed my face and I dried it, and my face feels so flawless. I don't know if it's the product or my flawless skin. So guys, thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate every one of you that keep on supporting your girl and watching. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. It's just that red button down there. You can click on it and join the family. Alright then, I'll see you again soon. Bye! Mwah. Mwah.